Yo, what's poppin' guys, Sizzle here, and last video I showed you guys how to set up Flatpaks in the software store so you have most things available to you on Debian Linux. Now I'm going to show you how to enable the non-free repositories so that for stuff that isn't super big like OBS, that you actually get these Debian options as well, just in case you need a native version of an app. I will say most of the time it's better to use the Flatpak version, but for example on Steam, it's better to have the non-Flatpak version. The Flatpak version of Steam breaks all the time and is really bad to use, at least right now. So it's recommended to actually get the native Debian version instead of Flatpak, and I'll show you how to go get that real quick. So per the usual, we have to go open the terminal, and now that we're in the terminal here, we just want to type in sudo nano etc apt sources.list, and then type in your password. And in here, you'll see a bunch of different stuff where it says Trixie, main, non-free firmware. Maybe it won't say Trixie if you're watching this really far in the future. But either way, we have to go into here and we have to add non-free Contrib to every single one of these lines. I'd actually recommend making the window a little bit bigger so that you can actually see what you're typing. And to move around, you have to use the arrow keys. I don't think there's any other way to move around in this, but yeah, you have to use the arrow keys to move around and type this in on every single one of these lines. Make sure you don't have any typos, or it might not fully work and only partially work. And yeah, it's kind of annoying. If anyone knows a better way to do this, please let me know. I would love to do this easier. This is really annoying to have to do every single time that I set up a Debian desktop. Which is mainly when I'm reinstalling stuff to go, try stuff fresh again, because I keep swapping distributions all the time. But yeah, when you're done setting up every single one of those lines, you're going to press Control X to exit. So Control X, press Y to save, and press Enter, and then that will be nice and saved right there. Now all you want to do is sudo apt-get update, and it'll pull all the different non-free stuff and whatever. And then when you fully refresh your software store, I guess I should have showed before that Steam wasn't there, but if we go to like Steam, instead of just having the Flatpak, we will now have the Debian option here, and you can actually properly go install Steam from actual Valve, and this is the recommended way to install it and the way that you should. You can go to software repositories here, and now we can see, right, it says non-free Contrib on each of these. This way you can check if you had any typos or anything like that. But yeah, we can go install like Steam, for example, which I'll do in another video where I show off how to set up Steam on Debian. I'll have that linked in the description, and I'll catch you in that one if that's something you need to do. And with that being said, hope you enjoyed and have a great rest of your day.